A wrong tax code costs you thousands. Before filing your taxes this year, make sure you check your P60 and your tax code. In the next 3 to 4 minutes, I'm going to tell you what the P60 tax code means, what if they are wrong, and how to fix them. So therefore, you should stay tuned and let me know if you have any questions. Your employer will send you a P60 which will shows your gross income, tax deducted, and most importantly, your tax code. And if your tax code is anything other than 1257L, then that means you are not getting a full personal loss of 12,570 pound. So the number on the tax code 1257L is basically a removal of zero from 12,570 pound and adding a letter like L, M, T, TO, T, T1, W1, M1. So all of these letters, they have a specific meaning in terms of tax and how your personal loans will be treated. Now, there are many reasons for change in your tax code. It could be your taxable benefits if you are getting a medical insurance, your dental insurance, or you're getting a car from your company. It could be if you are contributing into your private pension pot. It could be you have contributed in a social or charity causes. It could be you have untaxed income like interest, rental, or dividend income. It could be you have a tapering allowance because of your high income, more than 100,000 pound. I also published a video around this area, so it's worth watching that as well. So you will understand what does that mean, tapering allowance, or what will happen when your income crosses a threshold income of 100,000 pound per year. Plus, I wanted to let you know I also published a video around personal loans plus how to fix your emergency tax code. So it's worth watching those videos as well. So now let's have a look common letters which use in your tax code, and most importantly, what does that mean for you? So the first one is L, entitled to the standard personal allowance. Then M/N, merit allowance, transfer applied, N is equal to received, N is equal to transferred. T, other calculations needed by HMRC to work out your code, complex adjustments. K, you have more taxable benefits or unpaid tax than personal allowance. The K number is added to taxable pay, negative allowance. B, or all pay from this job is taxed at the basic rate. No personal allowance applied here, often used for a second job. D0, all pay from this job is taxed at the higher rate, 40%. D1, all pay from this job is taxed at the additional rate, 45%. 0T, no personal allowance applied, used when your allowance is used up or HMRC lakes detail or for emergency/new job situations. NT, no tax is to be deducted, rare usually for specific exempt income, or you have an income from the UK and you are living abroad. And then the final one is W1M1, which is emergency tax code when your employer do not have sufficient information from your last employment. Therefore, the best way to check your income tax code is by logging into your personal account with HMRC using your Government Gateway ID, where you will need to search around income tax code, and then you can see your tax code there. And if you feel that, or if you find code other than 1257L, then that means what you need to do is you just need to take a note of that code and then give a call to HMRC and then explain or ask them for the explanation why the tax code is other than 1257L. Sometimes they also issues POI notices, which includes your tax codes. If you do not have POI notices, then either give them a call or there are online services to chat with one of the HMRC advisors, which also helps you to understand your tax code. Recently, we claimed one of our clients roughly like 6,000 to 7,000 pounds of tax refund because of change in tax code. So very important to look into your tax codes. I think like a year and a half ago, I published a video like I also get a refund for my taxes because of overpaid taxes. So it is very important to consider your P60, your income tax code, and if you have any questions around this area, your personal allowance, your tax code, please do not try to get in touch. As always, hand ahead salute until the next video.